Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Events, Food and Drinks, Culture, Movies, Technology Trends, Theatre, TV and Travel. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the maharlikan culture of Yar. Bicol Express is a type of Filipino stew that makes use of coconut milk and coconut cream. Traditional Bicol Express recipe involves the use of pork as the main ingredient. Fatty pork cuts such as pork belly and pork shoulder are preferred. These are cooked by boiling in coconut milk along with chili peppers and spices. It is categorized as a main dish and is best eaten with a cup of warm white rice. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. We cook a lot in the kitchen, as you might already know. Bicol Express is one of our favorites. This is a good example of a dish that we make during regular days and special occasions. In fact, it is part of our Nukbuena menu. Cooking Bicol Express using this recipe is simple and easy. We only need to boil the pork along with the rest of the ingredients in coconut milk. It might not be complicated, but our utmost attention and patience is needed in the process. The first thing to do is combine coconut milk, onion, ginger, garlic, and pork in a cooking pot. Stir. Note that the stove has not been ignited yet at this point. Turn it on and set to high heat once the ingredients are all in the cooking pot. Let the coconut milk boil, and then adjust the heat to medium. This is the point where we reduce the coconut milk to half. It is important to check and stir the mixture every 7 minutes to prevent lumps from forming. This step extracts the flavors from the ingredients in the pot while tenderizing the meat at the same time. The next step is to add all remaining ingredients. This includes coconut cream, chili peppers, and salted shrimp. I also add nor pork cube in the mix to give it that solid pork flavor. Salted shrimp or balor provides most of the flavor to Bicol Express. A good alternative to it would be bagoong alamang or fermented shrimp paste. All you have to do at this point is to continue cooking the dish until most of the sauce evaporates. The indicator that I am done would be the presence of oil, which was extracted from the coconut milk. We now know that the answer to this question is a big yes. Use balor or salted small shrimp instead of fermented shrimp paste. Some of you might be thinking to use patis or bagoong isda. You can try. I do not recommend going that route because the outcome will be different. Several versions of Bicol Express exist. Each version varies depending on the main ingredient. This recipe post is all about the pork version. Other versions include beef, seafood, and vegetables. Pork Bicol Express is another version using pork and ginutan mix. I find this convenient to prepare and it is very tasty. Seafood Bicol Express is a yummy version that includes shrimp, squid, and mussels. This is quicker to make. Beef Bicol Express is a version that makes use of beef chuck. This is ideal for people who don't eat pork or has no access to pork. Here are the ingredients of Bicol Express. 2 pounds pork belly sliced into cubes. 6 pieces siling pansigang slice. 1 piece nor pork cube. 4 cups coconut milk. 2 cups coconut cream. 2 pieces onion chopped. 3½ tablespoons balor or bagoong alamang. 6 pieces Thai chili pepper chopped. 3 thumbs ginger crushed. 5 cloves garlic crushed. Here are the instruction how to cook Bicol Express. Step 1. Combine coconut milk, onion, ginger, garlic, and pork in a cooking pot. Stir. Turn the heat on and let the coconut milk boil. Cover the pot and continue to boil in medium heat until the liquid reduces to half. Note, stir the mixture every 7 minutes to prevent lumps from forming. Step 2. Add balor or bagoong alamang, chili peppers, coconut cream, and nor pork cube. Stir. Continue to boil until the coconut milk reduces to your desired consistency. Step 3. Transfer to a serving bowl. Serve. Share and enjoy. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more gaming review, visit our site at www.OphirPh.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.